Hello and welcome to this Compskill tip. Today we're going to carry on our series of working with cleaning data. This time we're going to use Excel's clean function. So just to recap, in the last video we talked about Excel's trim function. The trim function is one that removes unnecessary spaces in text. The clean function removes non-printable characters in text, and in this day and age we seem to do a lot of stuff where we copy things from a website, and often when we copy things from HTML we get funny results with how it's pasted into our Excel sheet, and often this is because of non-printable characters. So the best thing to do is to use the clean function. So I've got some stuff that I copied from a website in my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste this in here. Oops, or not. We'll just go back and copy it again. We'll see if it works this time. Ah, that's better. So it's come through as a long skinny string and it's pretty ugly when I do this. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going on here that I don't want. So we'll put it back to like this, and in B2 I'm going to enter the function equals clean and then A2 and close that bracket and copy that down. So that should copy down the whole thing. Now what we've got is we've got some clean text. We've still got the ugly formatting here, but that's okay. I'm going to select column B and I'm just going to copy it, because what I want to do is I want to turn the function into a value. So I'm just going to copy that and then I'm going to paste it on top of itself as a value. So I'm just going to paste it on top of itself as a value. So now when we go back in here, we can see we've just got that value. I'm also going to just move my heading because that will get in the way of what I want to do now. So now I don't need this. So now once I've got this as a value, I can just delete this. So delete the whole column, and look at that. Nice text that fits our formatting. It's got no ugly characters in it. So that's Excel's clean function. Thank you.